My name is Cameron Koza, and I made the 2016 Spring Capstone Festival website. I had Kevin Cahill as both my mentor and my client for this. So the main problem with the previous year's websites were that there wasn't so much of the work that the students put into this. There's a lot of effort and just work in general that was sort of almost overlooked in the previous ones. So we wanted to really showcase that. Our solution was to communicate the progress from start to finish, not only within the School of Computing and Design, but also within the capstone process itself. Here's an example. This is the homepage here. You can scroll through each project. Clicking on them results in your showing the process of it. I'm going to show you Brittany Darnell's. She did a great job. So you can scroll through each section, read about it, learn about each thing, and then see the final results of their efforts. My process started with sketching in Illustrator and some other tools. I actually didn't do anything by hand this time around. After doing some sketching and collaborating with other teammates and my client's mentor, we came up with some preliminary designs, and that was then tested and then changed until we had our final product. I hand-coded this whole thing using PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, MySQL. PHP, MySQL handled the dynamic nature of all this stuff. Each of the students, with the exception of a few, uploaded all their own work, and it was displayed dynamically that way. The JavaScript, HTML, CSS made it look good and, fun to use. I learned a lot about the dynamic web page creation. It was pretty challenging. I learned a lot from Miguel Lara's class, actually, in CST 352. Took a lot from that. That was one of my favorite courses here. Styling this thing was actually probably one of the biggest challenges, as getting all of the pieces to move together and work well and look right was a lot of work. Time management was huge too. I actually started this project about a month and a half early, and that allowed me to spread out the workload throughout the whole semester, and that was really big. So thank you for listening to me talk about this, and you can come see me and learn more about it next door.